Hello everybody, my name is Kiara. I'm a vtuber, gacha, and artist. Last year, I made this video where I went over the basics of customcast. The video blew up and a lot of people asked me a lot of questions, and today I'm going to try to cover them and explain most of them. I'm gonna start with the top question, and the one that I also use as a thumbnail. Why do users get black screens? So I asked friends and I also looked it up on TikTok, and I found that there's multiple solutions. First of all, try to be patient. Customcast is a big app and it takes a long time to load. Something that also makes it load fast is having good Wi-Fi, obviously, and having no other programs in the background open. Obviously, if it takes too long, then you should try activating a Japanese VPN. Customcast was developed in Japan, and for a while customcast wasn't available in a lot of countries, and personally for me, I was able to use it in 2022. Anyway, if both of them work, it might unfortunately be because your device might be too old. Obviously, if you have like a new phone, then I don't know. But yeah, I really hope these three solutions will work. So let's move on to the next question. How do I export my avatar? To export your model, you need a subscription. If you bought one or are using the free trial, go to the main page and click VRM export. I never used it, so I don't know what happens after that, but I think I'll just download your avatar and then you have it in your files and you can use it later in other programs. As example, I saw somebody in the comments that said they exported it so they can use it as a model in VRChat. So yeah. Someone also asked how to change the background. It's really simple. You just need to select your character, and then when you click on this icon, you can see all of the backgrounds you have. And that's pretty much it for now. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment. Also, thanks for watching until the end. If you like my content, consider subscribing and checking out my other platforms. Also, I'm still selling or trading my old models. If you're interested, feel free to DM me on Discord or Twitter. But for now,